This is very different from being on a huge cruise ship and you really don't experience what's happening outside. With Bark Europa, it's like a deep diving into the nature.
I didn't want the floating hotel feeling. It was the reason why I chose Bark Europa. I faced my own fears of crossing the Drake on a sailboat. You feel like you are alive and you are very small in a very big, powerful place.
The Drake Passage, it's notorious. One of the roughest patches of ocean in the world. And what an experience.
Comes with a bit of suffering, but when you get there, then in the first moment you know it's really worth it. It's part of the adventure.
The learning curve of what you get on this incredible ship, 1912 sailing bark. How many people can really say they've done that?
Europa, Jordi. ¿Qué pasa?
After 4 days in the Drake Passage, and then we go into the islands there off of the South Shetlands, it felt like we were on the edge of the world.
The first impression that really stays in my mind was when we went on Barrientos Island and we were among all those penguins. And it was such a magic moment. I think everybody was really amazed and everybody was really quiet and moving slowly.
No other words, it was breathtaking to be so remote in such beautiful surroundings.
Antarctica is maybe place number one for wildlife, for animal photography, for a combination between landscape and nature. So much wilderness, so many animals around you, something happening every single minute, and you always have a Bark Europa on the image like a beautiful model.
My experiences about Deception Island, pretty alien. It was like an alien ship just landed and broken up on the shores. It was taken over by seals, penguins, and the old bones of whales that was lying around the shore.
The scenery is very serene, very rough at the same time, but the silence and the view can be so nice.
And also from a distance it's nice to see the ship coming, gliding by an iceberg and then slowly show more of this beauty.
I think the best part for me was going through the ice packs. And going through the ice pack on that sunlight evening.
It was completely silent and we heard the cracks of the ice underneath.
For me, it was a very isolated place, very pristine, very untouched by human, and there was a balance and a harmony in the place itself.
I've been travelling all over the world, seeing many different things. But then when you read the stories of Shackleton and Scott and Emerson and all those other people that actually got here from many years ago and did it really difficult, they didn't know what to expect. And I didn't want to go on a normal cruise ship to see these places. I wanted to try and experience a bit of what they'd done.
I'm actually very happy that I come here to Bark Europa. She's definitely one of my favorite ships.
This was a dream to sail to Antarctica aboard a tall ship.
And cannot wait to come back.
¿Qué pasa?
¿Qué pasa?